What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this good ass energy and this beat making session will make it better. So we're just going to dive right into the video. I'm excited to make some beat with you guys. So I already got my tempo at 88 and I got this plugin Opus loaded up. Someone posted it on Instagram and I thought it was like super fire. So I got this harp sound loaded up. Like this, it's quite nice, this sound. And I also got this sound from Forbidden Planet loaded up. Like it really gives me like a spacey vibe, bro. I love this sound. Right away, that is sounding already super wavy. Let's just continue by adding some notes onto the harp. Ooh, that's beautiful. Like that little roll right there. It's really nice to add like those little kind of rolls in your melodies because it adds like a lot of texture to the like bounce of the beat and like the melody. We're going crazy today, bro. I got a good feeling about this session. Right here I want like a little switch up for like the hook. Like we got the verse right here, like first verse, then like a little breakdown bridge type of stuff, and then we got the hook. With this hook I want to add like some more wide open chords to it, just when it comes in it's just like a wow. just going crazy, you feel me? So I just wait for like a nice sound and add those chords in there. Right here I want like the gross beat to like make a gate like ta 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 ta, and then it comes in. This beat is too crazy, bro. I fucking love this beat. It's simple, but it's knocking super hard. I really love these type of beats and these type of melodies. It's like super wavy and ambient, and with like the little switch up in there, it makes like the beat super unique. So this tutorial really shows you how to make like simple beats, but like they sound super fire. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.